In today's class, we will be learning the topic, manufacturing industries in Nigeria. Manufacturing industry is defined as the industry that is involved in the turning of raw materials into new products by mechanical or chemical process at home or in the factory. Classification of manufacturing industries. Manufacturing industries can be grouped into three, namely: light industries. Light industries typically refer to manufacturing activities that involve the production of consumer goods on a relatively small scale, often using simple manufacturing processes. Consumer goods industries. Consumer goods industries refer to sectors of the economy involved in the manufacturing and production of goods intended for direct use by consumers. Heavy industries. Heavy industries are sectors of the economy that involve large-scale manufacturing and production processes, typically dealing with the production of capital goods, machinery, and equipment used in other industries rather than directly consumed by end users. Industries can also be classified into primary, secondary and tertiary industries based on their functions. Primary industries involve extracting raw materials, like farming and mining, while secondary industries process these materials into finished goods, such as manufacturing. Tertiary industries provide services, like healthcare and finance, contributing to economic growth and societal well-being. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.